Beaver, nature's ingenious builders. Unveiling the resilient world of the echoes of wood and water.
By AI for Kids. Step into the fascinating universe of beavers, where industriousness meets innovation, and community thrives amidst the tranquil alignments of wood and water. This collection of storyboards invites you to explore the intriguing aspects of beaver life, from their extraordinary adaptations and key ecological roles to their profound cultural significance. A tribute to nature's tenacity and ingenuity, these narratives celebrate the beaver's enduring legacy as masters of their craft and stewards of the wild. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Beaver's secret vision, underwater goggles.
Beavers, known for their incredible engineering skills, possess a unique adaptation, transparent eyelids that function like underwater goggles. This fascinating trait allows them to navigate and work efficiently in their aquatic habitats, crafting intricate dams and lodges while swimming with ease. Through these special eyelids, beavers can see clearly underwater, ensuring their safety and precision in their ongoing construction projects.
Dive into the beaver's world, where each swim is guided by a natural marvel. With eyelids as clear as glass, beavers weave through aquatic realms, constructing safe havens and dynamic landscapes. Imagine viewing the world through nature's goggles, every splash and ripple a song of creation. To be immersed and yet perfectly aware, this is the beaver's eye on the prize.
Architects of the wild, the beaver's habitat.
Found across North America and Europe, beavers are the architects of freshwater ecosystems. Inhabiting rivers, streams, ponds, and lakes, they thrive where trees and shrubs abound. Their dam-building activities create diverse habitats, supporting a multitude of species and enhancing biodiversity. Beavers transform landscapes into ecological masterpieces, contributing to water regulation and erosion control.
In lush and vibrant landscapes, beavers design their aqueous sanctuaries. They reshape the land, carving out domains rich with life, nurturing ecosystems as architects of the wild. To create anew with each ounce of effort, fostering life in every touch and turn, thus is the power of a beaver's resolve, framed within a home that carries the rhythm of earth and water.
Nature's craftsman, physical traits of the beaver.
The beaver's appearance is perfectly suited to its lifestyle as a masterful craftsman. With a stocky body covered in dense, waterproof brown fur, webbed hind feet for swimming, a flat, scaly tail for steering, and large incisors for gnawing wood, beavers are well equipped for their industrious endeavors. Stout yet graceful, these rodents embody resilience and adaptability in the wild.
Observe the beaver, adorned in nature's finest attire, a masterpiece of purposeful design. Each feature serves its trade, a harmony of form and function, captured in every deliberate move. Beneath the layers of fur and scale lies a spirit unyielding, ever awaiting the next task, eager to turn the ordinary into extraordinary in the heart of its forest realm.
Feast of the forest, the beaver's diet.
Herbivores by nature, beavers feast on the inner bark of trees, favoring willow, birch, and aspen. They supplement their diet with aquatic plants and nutritious shrubs. This plant-based diet not only sustains their energy for constant building and maintenance but also plays a vital role in forest ecology, promoting growth and renewal.
Amidst the rustle of leaves and the whisper of water, beavers enjoy their banquet of the forest, a feast designed by nature's hand. Each meal a testament to the cycle of life and regeneration. To harvest with care, knowing each bite fuels not just the body but the bonds of creation that ripple through forest and stream. In each branch, a multitude of possibilities.
Dams of dusk, beavers at work.
Primarily nocturnal, beavers are industrious builders, crafting lodges, dams, and canals under the moon's watchful eye. Social creatures, they work in family groups, communicating through soft vocalizations and scent markings. Their nightly endeavors transform environments, creating intricate networks that support diverse wildlife.
When stars adorn the sky, beavers embark on their nightly missions. With whispered calls and synchrony of purpose, they weave structures that bridge land and water, day and night. As darkness descends, the world awakens to wonder, guided by paws that carry both instinct and innovation. The night is our canvas, the earth our muse.
The heartbeat of ecosystems, beavers' ecological role.
By building dams and lodges, beavers significantly shape their habitats. These ecosystem engineers create wetlands that provide crucial shelter and resources for a variety of species. Their actions help regulate local water levels and prevent erosion, proving essential to maintaining healthy and resilient ecosystems that support life and biodiversity.
In the gentle lap of water, a symphony of life emerges, orchestrated by the engineers of the wilderness. Each beaver's touch is a note in the grand score of ecological vitality. To mold the world, hand in hand with nature, is to listen to every heartbeat that echoes along the lines of water and wood, crafting a legacy of life anew.
Preserving the legacy, conservation and significance.
Despite their thorough contribution to ecosystems, beavers often face threats from habitat destruction and pollution. Thankfully, their populations remain stable, categorized as least concern. Across cultures, particularly in indigenous traditions, beavers symbolize resilience, hard work, and environmental harmony, echoing their historical significance during the fur trade era.
The tale of the beaver is one of survival and impact. Their paws carry wisdom woven through generations, a dance of memory etched within every ripple and whisper of age-old forests. To honor the past is to guard the future, understanding that every thread in our tapestry is woven with the hands of those who shaped the rivers we now cherish.
Beavers, a tapestry of tradition and innovation.
Embodying industriousness and adaptability, beavers have long held a place in cultural narratives, from indigenous folklore to present-day ecological studies. Each tale, flick and gnaw at wood tells not only of survival but of the balance and interdependence present within nature. They remain symbols of resourcefulness and the transformative power of the natural world, inviting us to live in harmony with the environment around us.
From past to present, the beaver's story is art in motion, where tradition meets innovation, in a world woven by tales of old and breaths of the new. To learn from the quiet architects is to gaze upon our reflection in tranquil waters, finding the timeless wisdom that nature imparts with each gentle touch.